Recently, researchers in Japan and China conducted an extended study into why people of Japan live longer lives with considerably less heart disease, diabetes, and cancer than people in other regions of the world.
Now, this study specifically looked into a key staple of the daily Japanese diet, the kabocha, a superfood. The researchers found numerous health benefits associated with the consumption of kabocha, giving your body's cells a direct source of pure energy.
BochaSweet derives their very own all-natural sweetener from this amazing superfood. Not only is it a healthy alternative because it's 0 calorie and 0 glycemic.
Taste it for yourself and you'll agree it tastes as close to cane sugar as you can get. And the best part is there are no nasty side effects of sugar or that bitter aftertaste that you get with other sugar replacements.
In addition to this life-changing sugar replacement, BochaSweet also has a line of products that are all formulated for a healthy and guilt-free lifestyle. Protein bars, a beetroot formula, collagen peptides, and of course a powdered version for baking.
All are non-GMO, gluten-free, diabetic-friendly, and yes, perfect for keto.
If you're looking for a sugar replacement to add to your daily diet that really does taste like cane sugar and is good for you, then look no further than BochaSweet. You can learn more about this supreme sugar replacement by visiting BochaSweet.com.